I have a box and I have an opening I want to do with y'all. I'm excited because, damn, this sucker feels very, very light. Very light. So I'm going to open it up together with y'all. I want y'all to see what's in here. I know what's in here, but y'all don't know what's in here. Look what it says. Windows 101. Now, whatever's in this box, I'm going to get to that in a minute. Why didn't I get it from WCR? Well, here's the reason why. I've been dealing with Windows 101 longer than I can remember. ABC and Windows 101 was the main two places, and Wagtail was the main three places that I've ordered from. Now, Windows 101 has always been a favorite of mine because they have an array of specialty Wagtail stuff geared specifically into Wagtail. They support Wagtail the most out of anyone in the U.S. so far that I've learned, all right? Yes, there's other manufacturers that carry Wagtail products, but not like Windows 101. Also, if some of you don't know, Windows 101 has the best surgical towels. Louis from Superb Window Cleaning, he hit me to that. And those towels are phenomenal. They hold up and last a long time. And they're super duper big. All right? You can get smaller ones, but they're big enough where you can actually cut them in half. I don't suggest cutting any surgical towels in half because they will most likely fray on you. All right? So, the reason why I order from them, I'm about to show you. Da 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 da. Oops, I'm littering. So as you can see already, it is a Wagtail Orbital. But look at this sucker. What size is this? It's a 30-inch, baby. I mean, no, not a 30. Oh, it's got the blue rubber in here, too. For those who don't know, this is a fantastic rubber, man. Y'all got to try this blue rubber. This rubber goes good on pure water. If you're squeegeeing with pure water, this rubber is fantastic for that. I've actually enjoyed using this rubber more than anything when it comes to squeegeeing pure water. It's quite remarkable. Now, believe it or not, there's only two manufacturers that I found that has some stuff that other people don't have. Windows 101, well, for what I need. You know, I'm not your average person because not everybody works with big Wagtail tools. But they have Wagtail up to 30 inches. And this is the only supplier that I've learned in the U.S. to actually carry this size squeegee. Now, when it comes to the high flyer, there is no manufacturer that I know of at the present time in the States and over yonder that has 24-inch high flyers or 22-inch high flyers. The biggest high flyer they have is an 18-inch. If you want to go big like me and Pat Mayer, and I think Fernando has one too. He actually has a 26-inch high flyer because that's what he thought we had. So he ordered a 26. He had Willie make him a 26 high flyer. You can only get that from Willie, all right? So if you go there, tell him I said it was okay, get yourself a 24-inch high flyer. You'll thank me for it. So next, I want to talk about why is it that no one has these sizes except for Windows 101. Well, Windows 101 supports Wagtail, it seems, more than most manufacturers because they carry most of all Wagtail tools that are commonly asked for. The reason why this size is not publicly known and not publicized on any other distributor's site is because no one can work with such a large wagtail. Maybe they have, maybe they prefer a smaller size. But I don't mess around with glass, I clean it. So the bigger the better. Ask Louis, he should tell you. So I have one that's a 30-inch, but I rather like this disc. For reasons being, I'm not going to get into that because I don't want to make this video too long. So what's going to end up happening with this squeegee, I am going to put a mod on here like you will never see. Like you've never seen before. It's nothing, not too much different than my other mods, but this one, I didn't do it to my other 24-inch wagtail that Fernando has now. That was the red, white, and blue limited edition one pass. It had red and blue glider strip underneath. Oh, wow, look at that. Whoa. Willie's changed this completely. Now, this just, you see how this is a very good closeout. Because Willie made this smooth. This is an updated, wow. This is an updated orbital channel without the flanges. I needed that flange because this is going to, oh man, this changes everything. This changes everything. Not really. I could do it. Yes, I got it. I got it. But this will be good for the one pass. All right, y'all gonna see something. I got an idea with this. But that's interesting. Look at that. That is really interesting. This is gonna be fantastic on deep ledges, man, I tell you. But not now because I'm gonna actually add the one pass pad to it. But you know what? I may just decide to make this just a pure water squeegee so I could just do straight pulls. I don't know, but y'all gonna see the finished product. But in the group, for those who know who you are, who's in my group, y'all gonna see step by step, only for group members only. There's some other exciting mods by other group members that will be posting in a week or so. So some of you who are in the group, stay tuned for that. We have somebody that just joined the group, and I like to say that I'm glad he's here because he's got a good mind. There's some good minds in that group, man. But yeah, this is Masters at Wagtail, and stay tuned. Windows 101 has all the way up to 30 inches in the orbital. There's no sizes above 18-inch, as I stated, in the high flyer, unless you go to Wagtail personally. All right. Now WCR doesn't have this size. It only has sizes up to 18-inch. This is common. So this is why I didn't order from WCR. All right, because they don't have what I needed. All right. So another thing they didn't have is a couple of things they didn't have. So not everyone's going to carry everything all in one store. The only store that I've noticed to actually do that so far, they have some stuff that they don't sell anywhere else, and they have it all in one store. It's Windows Magic Supply out of Cali. Go and speak to those guys over there. They'll take very good care of you. They have the green rubber from Unger. They have Mormon blue. They have Wagtail blue. They have Razor red, which you can't find nowhere in the U.S., but Windows Magic Supply has it. I don't know why a lot of people don't carry Razor red. That's like a hidden gem. Some people can't get down with Razor red, but that's like my top rubber. That's my favorite. My next favorite is Wagtail blue. Next favorite is Mormon Blue. Third flavor is after that. Sorbo, Unger, Ettore. But I prefer the elite rubbers. The rubbers that are hitting gems, you know, because I don't know, they just work well in the Wagtails. I mean, that's just my preference. But yeah, so go to Windows 101 and get yourself a large orbital channel. For those in the group, you will see step by step on how to do yours, and you will also see a contest coming up of a Sorbo mod that you will never see anywhere else, that I will be giving away in the contest. This is going to be my latest prototype mod, so some of you may want to take advantage of that. This contest rules will be a trivia question. And I'm not going to tell you what that trivia question is until I actually start building the squeegee. All right, so that's that. Macafracka, sorry the video's so long. If you made it through this long, you're doing good. Oh, look at that. I got a sticker to stick on the back of my window. Yeah, I got a nice sticker. That's exactly what they are, specialty supplier, because they have some special things there. Very special.